Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a crochet tutorial on these big bold blonde ocean wave curls from Toyotress. This is their 9-inch ocean wave curls and I have it in the color T27, and with my order I received 8 packs. So this is my braid pattern for this style. Because I'm creating a bang, I did like a zigzag parting in the front that go inside with my horizontal braids in the back that zigzag up to the top, giving that illusion of a circle. Now when I began to crochet in the back, I just looped it one time. Then I started to realize that the hair was very loose and it needed another knot. So I started to double knot it. Now when I got to the top, I wanted to keep in mind of the style that I'm going for. I wanted those big bold bangs. So you'll see me going back and forth from each side, just creating that shape that I'm going for. Because this hair is not all one tone, it's ombre, I wanted to have those blonde ends. So I decided to split the hair. Then I cut the hair in half, making sure I cut off that little loop piece. Then I folded the hair and began to crochet, and it gives that nice curl at the end that's very similar to the rest of the hair. And I get that nice even tone of blonde throughout the whole style.
check up on it, check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it.
And I continue to go back and forth at the top of the style because I'm really trying to create those layers, and I'm trying to prevent from cutting off the color. So you'll see me once I get to the next braid at the top, I'm actually going to begin to split the hair, cut it in half, and then separate the two, lap them over, then crochet that piece in, and that's going to create those layers with that nice even tone of blonde.
Shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Come over and 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 check up on it.
This hair is super soft and very easy to work with. I had no problems with separating the hair. I had no tangles. And I used a total of 7 packs for this complete style. Now it's time to cut the hair, and this is the fun part, guys. And I did a lot of cutting. I was losing daylight, so I decided to pick it back up on the next day. And I continued to cut and cut some more. So I was happy with the shape. I added some mousse to tame some of the frizz. And this is the completed look, guys. I am in love with this style. I love the big curls. and the color is everything. So beautiful. I hope I was able to give you guys some helpful tips. If I did, make sure you like this video and also comment down below. Let me know how you feel in this style, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn your post notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.